This is Mike at Rockland County Computer Repair, and we had to recover data from a solid-state hard drive. And what happened was, this controller chip here, I guess, became detached from the board. All the solder connections weren't making it. And what we did was, we heated up that chip, and then we were able to recover the data again. Now this is just the insides of a solid-state hard drive I've hooked up to an external on my computer. But once we heated this up, the light came back on, and we were able to retrieve the data. That's how easy it was. Thanks for watching. Bye.